bottle gourd yogurt tomato casserole, or garlic bottle gourd tomato raita, or Lasoon Lauki Tamatar Raita, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the yogurt casserole recipes and one of the most delicious of the Raita recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the tomato casserole recipes, one of the most delicious of the tomato recipes. Today we're going to make garlic bottle gourd tomato yogurt casserole, or garlic bottle gourd tomato raita. We have taken around 150 to 200 grams of bottle gourd, peeled and cut into pieces, and 2 to 3 tomatoes cut into pieces. Heat the pan and put in 15 grams of ghee or clarified butter. Let it melt. Put in the onion pieces. Salt. Marinade. You can saute. Garlic saute mix. Put in the garlic seeds. Salt the garlic pieces. ginger, put in salt to taste, salt, salt thoroughly, keep on salting. Thoroughly saute and mix. Now put in the bottle gourd pieces. Put in salt to taste, salt, salt thoroughly, put in half a spoon of powder, put in a quarter spoon of turmeric powder, put in a quarter spoon of chili powder, put in a quarter spoon of acidity powder, put in the tomato pieces, salt thoroughly for 36 minutes until the tomatoes become soft. After sauteing, put it into the simmer and pour in 100 ml of yogurt into the mixture, and in low heat mix thoroughly, and curry leaves, mix, and take off the flame. Now the garlic, bottle gourd, yogurt, tomato casserole is ready. It can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final garlic, bottle gourd, tomato yogurt casserole, or garlic, bottle gourd, yogurt, tomato casserole. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the yogurt recipes and one of the most delicious of the yogurt casserole recipes and one of the most different of the tomato casserole recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the tomato recipes and one of the most delicious of the gourd recipes and one of the most unique of the Raita recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification